What's up, my beautiful vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and, of course, some good vibes. It is a must. Welcome back to another video. Vibes fam, look at this beautiful baked chicken. Look at it. So here it is, all seasoned. I will link this video down below, right? Because you got to get that as well. So here I have my tray and I just put a little bit of oil in it. Any oil will do. Shush it, shush it. You want to get the oil everywhere at the base of the tray. And then I'm gonna add my chicken. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit and put it in for 30 minutes. So this is it after 30 minutes. Look at it, looking so good, looking so juicy already. So now we're gonna do what? We're gonna baste our chicken. So always baste your chicken, vibes Sam. It helps to keep the moisture in. It helps to keep it nice and moist, really, right? Well, some people don't like that word. It helps to keep it all juicy. Yes, juicy, because we don't want no dry chicken. So go ahead and baste your chicken, baste it up. And then when we're done basting it, by the way, put the juice on every pieces of chicken, every piece. Use a spoon if you don't have a baster. So look at it, beautiful, looks eatable already, but it's not done. So put it back in the oven for 10 juicylicious minutes. And while that is cooking, then guess what? We're gonna work on our little sauce. So we have 1.5 cup of barbecue sauce. You can put a 1/2 cup of ketchup in there if you want. Yes, and I added 3 tablespoons of what? Dark sugar. So go ahead and mix that up. Give it a stir and a mix. Yes, combine everything. So the dark sugar just helps to just smooth out that barbecue sauce and ketchup if you have the ketchup in it, right? Because it's a bit too tangy for me, right? I like when things are just the right kind of right. So here is the chicken after 10 minutes. We take it out. And of course, we're going to put that juicy sauce on it. Taste the sauce, by the way. So yeah, vibes, Sam, go ahead and take if you have a spoon, use a spoon. You don't need this. What did I say? You don't need it. You don't need no fancy nothing. Just dash that nice sauce all over that baked chicken. Do you hear me? Do you hears me? So go ahead and get it all over it on the top side. And then, of course, we're going to flip him over. Right, when we are done with all of this top part right here, we're gonna flip it over and get it on the back as well, because vibes fam, sauce needs to be where? Everywhere. Let's say it in unison. Sauce needs to be everywhere. So go ahead and baste this side as well, right? Sauce it up. Juicy it up. Yes, do not spare any of the sauce, vibes, Sam. And I hope you have a good, nice, thick, rich barbecue sauce and not the watery one. But if that's what you have, work with what you have, because we know how to take our hand and make what? Fashion. So yeah, let's turn them back over on the other side, right? And I have the sauce, so why not? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put back some more on there. And then, of course, I like gravy or I like sauce with my food. More than likely, of course, it's gonna be rice. So I added 1 tablespoon of hot water, right? And go ahead and mix that up. And I'm just gonna pour it into my baking tray. Look at it, nice and thick and luscious. Ooh. Look good. I love me some good sauce. So taste it still to make sure. I'm sure everything is intact. Yeah. So go ahead and pour that in the tray, right? Because we're looking some gravy. So if you don't want any of this, guess what? Just baste the chicken and you could just pour it in there. You don't have to add the hot water or any water. And if your barbecue sauce is runny, don't add any water at all, right? Just pour it into the tray. And we're going to put it back into the oven for 10 minutes. 10 minutes just to finish it up and just to get that sauce all down in the bones and in everything of that chicken. And this is it, vibes fam. And vibes fam, here we have it. Here, look at the bubbles. Come true, bubbles. Vibes fam. Oh, this is so good. It looks so beautiful, so juicy, and I promise you, yes, it not dry, very juicy and nice. What would you have this with? Rice and peas, white rice, yam, dumpling, banana, carrot. I don't know. But thank you so much for watching Vibes Fam. Please go ahead and click the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share with someone. Thank you for watching. God bless you.